Here is my cute trick or treat box. I created a belly band to hold the box closed, and then you can open the box up and put all kinds of fun treats in the box for your trick or treaters. So I used the Tricks and Treats bundle to create this box. This is a die for a bag originally. So I've cut out 2 sheets of the Them Bones Designer Series paper, but I'm gonna show you how you can turn the bag into a box. So when you cut out 2 sheets, they'll come out like this. You're going to put them in your scoring tool, and you're going to score them at just 1 inch across the top of what would be the bag. So you've got this 1 inch score line right here. So now we're going to do a little bit of trimming. We're going to trim on this score line right here. We're going to make sure it's opposite of this piece right here. And I like to just cut a little V, so I've got some wiggle room. And then this tab right here, we're going to cut completely off. So same thing with this piece. We're going to cut along this opposite score line here. And then we're going to cut off this little piece right here. Okay, so now you're going to fold on all of the score lines. Make sure everything is ready to go. And we're going to put some tear-in tape, and we're going to put some tear-in tape on some of these tabs. So we're going to put them on the same tabs as we did for the bag. So this one, and actually just one of them. So just that one right there, that's it. And then we'll attach these 2 together to create the box. It's kind of like a pizza box if you're familiar with how pizza boxes go together. So you're going to line up these score lines and this edge right here. And then you're going to put adhesive on these tabs, and you're going to fold them in to create the box. So basically, we're just going to put a little bit of tear-in tape on each of those squares. So you notice on the tear-in tape that I'm only going about 3/4 of the way up. So the height of this front and the height of this side are a little bit different. So I don't want the adhesive to be showing, so that's why I only put it 3/4 of the way here. So now I've removed the backing of all the pieces, and I'm just going to start putting this together to form a box. Okay, so there we have our box. Super cute. So now we're going to create this belly band to go around the box to hold it in place. So I have a piece of 9 by 1 1/4 basic black cardstock. And so I've scored this at 1 7/8, 3 1/8, and then 6 1/8, and 7 1/4. And so this is going to wrap around from the bottom and wrap around to the front. That way the seam here is going to be hidden underneath, and we'll just use a little piece of tear-in tape to hold that together. All right, I've already cut out this piece right here from the dies, and I thought it would be fun to use this new hexagon punch that's online right now to punch out a hexagon. And so I'm just going to put that on a couple of dimensionals. And now I'm going to stamp Trick or Treat. And now I'm going to stamp a couple of ghosts. So it's like the ghosts are saying hi, saying trick or treat. And then just one down here. So this will also go on dimensionals. And then I'm going to use some of these gems from the annual catalog on the belly band just to add some more bling. And there you have a fun trick or treat box using the Tricks and Treats bundle and using the bag die to create a box. When you place a $50 order using my current host code, you can get my Tricks and Treats class for just $5 shipping. Just email me and let me know that you would like this class, and I would be happy to send you one.